Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Oh my gosh, ladies, look how beautiful this style came out. It is absolutely gorgeous. You know, crochet styles aren't just about covering up. They are about expressing yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. Whether you're dealing with alopecia, thin hair, or you're just looking for a new style, there is a crochet style out there just for you. If you had a similar experience with crochet styles, I'd love to hear about it. Share your comments in the comment section below. Remember to support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. This style came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at these gorgeous goddess faux locks. She loved it and so did I. This is why I love what I do, because I love making people feel happy about themselves. Again, subscribe, hit that bell, give me a thumbs up, and please check out my Facebook page for more videos, more pictures, and also don't forget to tap the link in the description so you can get your order in for our hair growth products. Stay safe, stay blessed, and thanks for watching. West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.